Today, you will learn how to put a line through text in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Word document and type any text so we can practice. Now, to apply strike-through, you must select the text. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words. You can also double-click a single word to select it quickly. Sometimes, Word also selects the space after the word, which is normal. If you want very accurate selection, click at the beginning of the word, hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click at the end of the word. This gives you a perfect selection without extra spaces. Once your text is selected, go to the top menu and click on the Home tab. In the Font section, you will see a small icon that looks like letters with a line through them. This is the strike-through button. Simply click on it and instantly your selected text will have a line through it. That's how easy it is. There is another professional method to apply strike-through using the Font Settings window. After selecting the text, press Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on Mac. A font box will appear. Here, you will see an option called strike-through. You can tick this option and press OK. Your text will now have a line through it. In this same box, you will also notice an option called double strike-through. If you select this, Word will put 2 lines through your text instead of 1. Now, imagine you want to apply strike-through to different words in different parts of your document at the same time. You can do that too. Select the first word normally. Then hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and start selecting other words in different places. When you click the strike-through button, all selected words will get the line through them together. Be careful not to release the Ctrl key while selecting, otherwise you will have to start again. One important thing is that Microsoft Word does not have a default keyboard shortcut for strike-through. But if you use this feature often, you can create your own. To do this, select any text and press Ctrl D to open the font window again. Now press Ctrl plus Alt plus plus from your number pad. Your mouse cursor will briefly change shape. After that, click on the strike-through option. A new window called Customize Keyboard will appear. Click inside the box that says Press New Shortcut Key and press the key combination you want to use. For example, Ctrl plus Alt plus minus or Ctrl plus Alt plus equal sign. If Word tells you that this shortcut is already used for something else, try a different combination. Once you find a free one, click Assign and then Close. Now test your shortcut in the document, and you will see that strike-through works instantly with your custom keys. You should also know how to remove strike-through. Just select the text again and click the strike-through button one more time, or open the font window and untick the strike-through option. This turns it off. If this video helped you learn something new in Microsoft Word, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.